Hey YouTube, this is High Velocity Shooting here. This is a 4.5 pound Tannerite target. It says this is as merry as I get. Let's see how big this boom is. This is not the actual brand name Tannerite. This is Homemade Tannerite. So let's see how big of a boom this is. Okay. Well, YouTube, that was our 4.5 pound homemade Tannerite mixture. I hope you liked the explosion. It was pretty big. If you compare the before and after, that was a really big boom. So I hope you liked the video. Please comment and subscribe. Also, you can like us on Facebook. So see you later.